Hello there, adventurers. I am Lauren Gay, the Outdoorsy Diva adventure travel blogger and your adventure life coach. I'm here to help you add more adventure to your life. Now, today we're going to talk about just some quick tips. Wanted to give you some quick inspiration for getting more adventure into your life. Did you know that every year I create an adventure list? Actually, it's probably the same list, and that's just become a running list that gets longer and longer and longer. But I have a list of adventures that I want to have. Some people may call it a bucket list. I tend to not use that term so much just because, bucket implies kick the bucket and it's things you want to do before you die. To me, that's a long time. Like, I want to have adventure list, like things I think I can reasonably accomplish in a short amount of time. So I have an adventure list. It's still early in the new year, and it's a great time to do that now. I make it part of my exercise when I do my dream board, when I do my board of inspiration, things I want to look at that are going to help me set my intentions for the year and be intentional about what I'm going to do. So I also include specific adventures that I want to have. Just to give you an example, I went just to see and looked at an old board, an old adventure list back in 2016. That list for 2016, I had stay in a treehouse, visit 3 national parks, stay in a houseboat, visit the UK, stay in a castle, swim with manatees, visit Devil's Den, go luxury glamping, visit at least one other European country, see Harry Potter and the Cursed Child, zip line at a new location, explore 6 new national parks, visit more Florida beaches, new to me beaches, plan a tent camping trip, visit California, and take an international trip with my son. Now, these are my goals that I wrote at the beginning of 2016. I have accomplished almost all of them. Now, did I necessarily accomplish them in 2016? Nope. And that's okay. I just kept going back to the list and looking to see. So, really be intentional about it. When you go and you look at like a Groupon, right? You're looking for something to do. Does it line up with what you put on your list? Do you actually take time to write down and outline things you want to do or try? If you don't, you absolutely should. There's nothing more fulfilling than when you actually get to check one of these things off. So when you've got free time, you've got PTO that you need to figure out how to use, instead of haphazardly wondering, oh, what should I do? Go look at your list. You've already given yourself plenty of options and things to look for and to plan. So I would love to hear from you. What's on your adventure list? Tell me in the comments or send me a DM. I want to know, what kinds of things do you have? I still got to get that stay in a houseboat checked off and getting scuba certified. Those have been on my list for a long, long time. And that's okay. I'm going to get them done. But just you want to be very intentional when you make your plans and have an adventure list. So that's going to be your guide, your go to make sure that you are being intentional about adding more adventure to your life. So I hope this quick nugget was helpful for you today. And I am Lauren, the adventure coach. You can find me on outdoorsydiva.com and subscribe to the newsletter. Also, you want to make sure you subscribe to this channel to Misadventures of an Outdoorsy Diva for more adventures of my own, as well as more adventure coaching tips for you. And if you're ready to take it to the next level, you can book me for one-on-one consulting for adventure life coaching over on laurenrgay.com. That's laurenrgay.com. Go to consulting and then go to life coaching and you'll find it. You'll be able to book your session and get started with a strategy to add more adventure to your life. See you next time.